Hello everybody, my name is Logan Brandy, and today we are actually good to go to Sarfia. Don't mind that. And actually we're going to check what is a tornado warning. So, what is a tornado? A tornado warning, okay. So, a tornado warning, same code TOR, is an alert issued by National Weather Forecasting Agencies to warn the public that severe thunderstorms with tornadoes are imminent or occurring. It can be issued after a tornado funnel cloud and rotation in the clouds has been spotted by the Public Storm Chasers Emergency Management or law enforcement. When this happens, the tornado sound may sound in that area if any signs or present inform people that a tornado had been sighted or may be forming nearby. Because sounds are generally not heard indoors, residents should not completely depend on the issuance of a tornado warning. Indicates that residents should take immediate safety precautions. It is a higher level of alert than a tornado watch, but in the United States, it can be surprised by an even higher alert, known as a tornado emergency or a particularly dangerous situation warning. If you guys don't know, this is what a tornado looks like. So actually, we're gonna say what is a tornado watch? What is a wow tornado watch? Okay, tornado watch, same code TOA. It's issued when weather conditions are favorable for the development of severe thunderstorms that are capable of producing tornadoes. When a tornado watch therefore implies that it is also a severe thunderstorm watch. A tornado watch must not be confused with a tornado warning. In most cases, the potential exits for large hail and or damaging winds in addition to tornadoes. Yep. A watch does not mean that the severe weather is actually occurring. Only that it's massive. Blah 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 blah. That says right here, but I'm trying to read. Conditions have created a significant. Okay, I'm just gonna say that. Risk for it. Severe weather actually does occur. A tornado warning or severe thunderstorm warning would then be issued. Note that a watch is not required for a tornado warning to be issued. Tornado warnings are occasionally issued when a tornado watch is not active. When a severe thunderstorm watch is active, or when no watches are in effect. If a severe thunderstorm develops and has confirmed tornado or strong rotations. Wow, this is going to be a long rotation. In the United States, the Storm Prediction Center, a National Guardian Center of the National Weather Service, NWS, issues watches for area likely to produce tornadoes and severe thunderstorms. The watch boxes or weather watches, WWS, are usually outlined in the were made of X miles north and south, or east and west, or either side of a line, from Y miles directions of city-states to Z miles in other directions of another city-state. For example, 50 miles either side of a line from 10 miles northeast of Columbia, South Carolina, to 15 miles southwest to Montgomery, Alabama. Either side means perpendicular to the center line. In addition, a list of all counties included in its area of responsibility is now issued by each NWS forecast office for each watch. In the event that a tornado watch is likely to lead to a major tornado outbreak, along with possible destructive winds and hail, intense wording with the words particularly during these situations, PDS can be added to the watch. This is initially blah blah what that says. Well, yeah, I'm trying to really check how it says. Issue when azimuth, okay, or conditions are again significant to breed development of severe thunderstorms that are capable of producing significant tornadoes, either from supercells that develop strong low-level rotations under typical tornado genesis during the storm's major rotation stage, about the thunderstorm that enter meditation during their early development. Okay. Through a combined host of sufficient wind shear and very convinced. So we're good job with convincing. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching, and peace.